G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Cast your eyes to Airshow left and get ready for a sensory overload as I introduce to you, all the way from the still city of Newcastle, Australia, the beautiful machine, the Wolfpitch Pro. One of only two of its kind, built by the one and only Steve. It's System Plane Oracle Challenger 3, which is currently on static display in the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum here in the US of A. Machine is powered by a he loves sailing his yachts, living and loving with his family. Is the current multiple state champion and national champion here in Australia. But with that said, it's eyes to the skies, aviators. And we got smoke on. We're about to start the show with a crazy spiral dive. Let's see if we can count. Demonstrate the awesome capability of this great machine with a crazy full forward flare. Come on, Oshkosh, put your hands together for the Wolfpitch Pro. So from Airshow Centre, where the Aussie will complete not one, but two hammerheads. That's the double hammerhead. Watch as he makes the vertical look easy with the torque of that light climbing motor. Paul will attempt to pull off one of the smallest inside loops you've ever seen. There we go. And now as he goes into the hover position, we're going to cross over to see if we can see Paul. Are you there, Paul? 60 miles per hour. Crazy stuff. Now that's one of his favourite tricks. Now with a literally mind-blowing inside-outside loop. Constantly trying to throw it. Rolling sawtooth. I've got to go to the dentist when I get home. I call that. We just can't stop him when he gets up in the air aviators. If you like what you see, make some noise, Oshkosh. Let the Aussie know. Do you love him here at your show? Vertical climb there with some long spins at the top. How good does the Biplane Pro look in the sky here in the US of A? Spinning through to airshow left and repositioning for his next display here, ladies and gentlemen, and showing horsepower and airship capability. When he comes through, we're about to do what we call the slider. Using only rudder control itself, came to be a so get your cameras ready. Don't forget to share it to all the socials on Oshkosh. And of course, Paul Bennet Airshows. Check us out. The action that we perform here in the States and as well the crazy stuff we get to do back home in Oz. So it's time to not only be loud, I want you to look loud, Oshkosh. Get up out of your chairs. Throw your hats, your kids and your cans in the air. As we present to you, Paul Bennet and the Biplane Pro.
Boss, we called you in here momentarily.
My name's Rusty Bell, I can tell you, on behalf of the whole Paul Bennet team here this weekend, we are honoured to come to Oshkosh and perform at the greatest airshow in the world, AirVenture. In front of the greatest airshow meetings in the world, you here, flight side.
watching through a TV screen when I'm taking
Bringing it
Sir
back
Bossy, this
down.
place is yours. And is that
Safe
clear than
and
your
sound on terra
Yeah,
firma.
affirmative.
One more time,
Okay,
Oshkosh.
please,
Give me
start
some
communicating.
noise for Paul Bennet and the Wolf Prince Crew.
So this is the back button here. That's your focus. And then this is your button.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Started.
how about that?
Yes,
All
sir.
the way from Australia, another big round of applause, if you would, for Paul Bennett and the Wolf Prince Crew.